I made this mayo with just 4 ingredients. Just take a look at how fluffy, thick, and creamy this looks. So keep on watching to see the full recipe. And I also made salad with some fried and grilled chicken. So yeah, I have my chicken all clean. I went ahead to add all my seasonings. All the seasonings will be listed in the captions, so do well to check it out. Anytime I make salad, I like to have it with chicken or fried fish. So today I'm going for chicken wings. I went ahead to mix all the ingredients together. When I was satisfied with the mixing, I covered and set it aside to marinate. Up next, introducing the ingredients I'll be using for the salad. So these are my veggies. I went ahead to clean them off camera. They're all washed and clean. My carrots, lettuce, cabbage, and cherry tomatoes. And afterwards, I checked on the chicken, which has been marinating for about 30 minutes. I'm going to grill this section, and the other section I'm going to fry. So I added some pepper mix on top of the chicken before putting it in the microwave to grill, because I like my chicken hot and spicy. I have a video on how I made this pepper sauce, and I'm going to link it to this video, but if it's not yet up, it will be up in the next video. So do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video when I finally get to upload it. So yeah, we have it. This right here I'm going to grill, and this right here I'm going to fry. So I'll cover this and set aside, and transfer the one for grilling into the microwave. I'm going to set for 30 minutes and start grilling. While that is grilling, I went ahead to slice my vegetables for the salad. I started with the cabbage. You can slice it or chop it, whichever English you use. You can chop it however you like. This is what I was going for, and yeah. If you've watched up to this point and you're yet to give this video a like or subscribe to my channel, it's time to do so. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Encourage this growing channel, but don't just watch and go. And when I was done slicing the cabbage, I transferred the sliced cabbage into my salad bowl. And I went ahead to slice the cherry tomatoes into my desired size. You can slice it however you want. If you want to make it circle strips, you can, but this was what I was going for. Do you slice it how you want it? As you can see here, I'm done slicing all the cherry tomatoes I'm using for the salad, and I transfer them into the salad bowl. And I went ahead to slice the lettuce, which I'll be using also for this salad. So I slice, and when I'm done slicing the lettuce, I'm also going to transfer it into the salad bowl. Basically, all the vegetables I'll be using after slicing, I'm going to transfer into the salad bowl because I'm making a big batch. I started grating the carrots, but I didn't like the shape that the blade I was using initially was giving me, so I changed the blade and started grating. I checked to see how it was, and yeah, it was perfect. I went on, grated the whole carrots and transferred them into the bowl. Because I'm making a big batch, this batch right here should last me for a week. I just prepared it like this and put it in the refrigerator, and whenever I want to use it, I just take it out and add some mayo or whatever dressing I prefer. So the grill meat is halfway ready. I took it out and flipped it over, and when I'm done flipping all the chicken, I'm going to put it back into the microwave and continue grilling for about 20 minutes. The first time it was 30 minutes, but as you can see here, it's cooked. I just want the flip part brownish, crispy. Yeah, I want it to have that golden brownish fine finishing. While that is grilling, I added some oil into my deep pan and started frying the remaining chicken. So frying chicken for me, it's very easy. I'm going to share my trick with you. This trick right here helped me get perfect fried chicken every time. You know, when you fry chicken, it starts to stick to the pot or the pan. When you try to flip it, it's because you don't let it fry. So I just let it fry. When it's brown like this, as you can see, when I flip it, it flips effortlessly, like it just flips. So you let it to fry. When that section is ready, it doesn't stick to the pot, it just flips effortlessly. And I do this also when frying fish, not just for chicken, when frying any meat. Yeah, so the chicken is ready. As you can see that golden brownish finishing. It's crisp on the outside and definitely juicy in the inside. I'm going to show you. I took them all out of the pan and set aside. This right here is not really spicy, so my son is going to have this. The grilled chicken is spicy. Look at this deliciousness. Oh, I wish you could hear the sound. Like, it's crispy on the outside, the inside is juicy. It's not hard, nicely fried. Ah, McDonald's has nothing on me. Oh, and it tastes so nice. It tastes good. Like, oh, the seasoning, everything perfect. And now it's time to make the mayonnaise. So to make the mayonnaise, I have 3 eggs right here. I'm going to boil one first. I went ahead to boil one of the egg. As you can see, I'm boiling one of the eggs, and after 5 minutes I'll add one more egg to the pan to boil. So for this recipe, I'll need hard-boiled egg and half cooked egg. To my blender, I added the hard-boiled egg and also added the half-cooked egg. And I'm going to blend, and I'm going to show you what I'll do with the remaining egg. I went ahead to add a tablespoon of white rice vinegar, 4 tablespoons of groundnut oil, a tablespoon of sugar, and I went ahead to blend. And this is how it is looking. And for the remaining egg, I cracked it open and poured in the egg white and continued blending. And after blending, this is what we have here. Creamy, fluffy, beautiful finishing. Look at this. Look at this. I made my own mayonnaise. I had to call my husband to come and taste this. I was like, I brought the store-bought mayo and I brought my mayo. I mixed the salad and gave him to eat from both. Then I was like, how's the salad? He said it was nice. He enjoyed it. So I now brought the mayo. I asked him to taste the mayo. The two, the store-bought mayo and mine. And he was like, I was like, which of them tastes better? And he picked mine. Like, this is better. So I now told him I made it. I made the mayo from scratch. So I was like, taste it again. He now said, oh, it's nice. How did you make it? You see. I made my own mayo. It was nice. My husband loved it. He said it was nice. This was perfect. Like, you cannot tell the difference between this mayo I made with the store-bought mayo. And I transferred it into a glass jar, covered it up and stored it in my refrigerator. This lasted in my refrigerator for 3 weeks. Nothing happened to it. It didn't get bad. It was delicious. Like, you should try this recipe out and thank me later. Look at this. See how fluffy it looks. See how fluffy. You can't tell. You would think this is store-bought. I went ahead to cover that and set aside. Mixed the remaining vegetables I set aside to do a taste test and added the mayonnaise. I don't know why I lost that clip where I was adding the mayonnaise into the salad. And I went ahead to stir them up very well and transferred it into a glass jar, put some topping of mayonnaise, and I put it in the refrigerator to cool up. I went back to check the grilled meat, which has been grilling, and look at what we have here. This is perfect. I could not tell which I preferred more, the grilled or the fried. The fried chicken had its own flavors and the grilled chicken has its own flavor. Both of them tasted so nice. I can cook. Like, this tasted so good. This tasted so good. This tasted so good. And I went ahead to serve some grilled chicken because of the spice. Like, I need that spiciness, that chili spicy. And I served the salad, and this is what we have here. Look at this deliciousness. Look at this beauty. It was delicious and I enjoyed every bit of it. So go ahead to try it out. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.